Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome to today's job. It's Monday, October 27th or something like that?
Yep.
And we have a pretty fun, easy job today. We're at this apartment complex. This is kind of the courtyard area. There's a little pond here. Because of these Norway spruces and this ash tree, there's no grass growing here at all, so it's just pure mud. I think people have dogs, they're tracking the mud in, but in addition to that, I guess they're having some drainage problems with the water, not draining properly. So, and they're gonna be redoing this whole path, so they just wanna cut down all these trees along this path. Pretty easy job, huh?
What else is there to say?
Yeah, it's a pretty easy job. Yep. I mean, the Merlo is the perfect tool. The only thing I'm a little bit worried about is getting the wood cracker up in to grab a top. Worst case scenario, you'll have to go up there and make a little pocket for the wood cracker to grab in there.
I'm ready.
Yep, we've got a nice wide open parking lot here. They put cones out the night before.
The tow truck was here. He was towing cars out of here when I got here.
Oh, wow.
So
well,
they're on it.
If anyone who lives in this apartment complex is watching this video and you just got your car towed because you forgot to move it, it wasn't.
It's not at the pound. It's just somewhere else here.
It wasn't because of me.
Not a big deal.
I apologize. I do this motorcycle ride every year. It's called the Bucky. It's a dual sport ride, and it's 130 miles of like off-road riding through the woods, up and down steep hills, out in the driftless area like Cross Plains and Mazamani. And I brought Spencer with me. I let him ride one of my dirt bikes.
Yeah, my butt cheeks are like black and blue. I've got like tendonitis in the wrists. Dual sport is a generous term, honestly. It's more like hardcore
enduro
trail riding.
Yeah.
Like if you had a dual sport bike, forget about it.
And to top it all off, it rained like half the day, so the trails were super greasy and slippery.
I crashed about 15 times, but it was slow motion crashes. It wasn't like barreling into a tree.
You're still in one piece though.
Yeah.
And that was kind of your first time riding motorcycles off-road.
Oh yeah.
There's two types of trails. There's blue and red, and I would do all the red ones, which is the more complicated. He'd do all the blues, which is a little bit easier, and we'd both kind of come out at the same time. It actually worked out pretty well.
It was memorable, yeah.
We'll do another street bike ride for sure.
Oh yeah,
okay.
Appreciate you letting me tag along.
All right, well it's 10:30. We got the Merlo all set up. We're taking down 5 trees here. We don't have to grind any stumps, but we are hauling everything away, so let's see how long this takes.
It's a nice ash log, actually.
Yeah. If anyone is interested in getting a t-shirt or a sweatshirt, they are now live on the website, reonroundsdesigns.com. I think it's a pre-order thing. I'm not quite sure how that works, but I'm sure it's all listed on the website. So reonroundsdesigns.com, you can go on there and order yourself a sweatshirt or a t-shirt.
I had no idea.
They're available. So if you're interested, check it out. So follow along with us as we cut down these trees. Here we go. First cut of the day. This is pretty nice. Not really gonna be the best placement for sleeping, but maybe not terrible. This one kind of goes way behind me, huh? Got her? Uh-oh. Did it cut? I'm trying to get a good camera angle of the camera in action. Well, I'm reaching way up high right now. Now I kind of look at the camera and I can close my grapple to change the view a little bit. But I can get that curl just right. I need to curl down just a hair. Squirt out. And that's a perfect grab. Oh, buttery smooth. Lower the cap down. You can rotate this piece for Felipe a little. Cory Ridge last night, and there's a new jump. It's like a huge wooden jump, and the parking lot was completely full of people, you know. And out of all the people who were there last night, there's only one person hitting that jump, and that was Rocky. The perfect distance away from this thing, huh? Felipe, you think the gravel truck could even lift this log? Stump cut, right? Alright, we're good for 11,000 right here. The boom is actually all the way in. Let's see how much this piece weighs. Oh, it's not actually that much. It says 3,800 with the grapple, and the grapple weighs, oh, it says 4,000, so it probably weighs 2,000 pounds. Set it right on the stump. That way he can come over with a set of pallet forks. Two ash trees down. That went super smooth. And now we're going after these 3 spruce trees. And they're gonna be a little bit more difficult because it's kind of hard to get the grapple in there. There's so many branches. Got my water boiling right here.
You can already see it
Going. Portable bean grinder. While the beans are grinding, the water is boiling. All we need is a French press. Just happen to have that right here. Just in case we run out of butane, I got a spare. I've got all the bases covered. I think my water's all boiled up. The bean grinder's still going though. Oh, the bean grinder finished just in time. We got beans, freshly ground.
Down the Starbucks around here and see it into their revenue.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes. Zach just ran to the gas station because I forgot coffee cups.
Don't go overboard on mine, I don't need much.
Zach,
Dude, that is hot.
It's
Like, I think it's ready to boil.
Three, two, one. That's good. All right, I think I'll go down by that squirrel nest, basically. Shouldn't be that pushing it too much. That's 44.
has anyone ever told you you're really good
Out of my face.
Has anyone ever told you you're really good at raking? All right, we got everything cut down and cleaned up. 1, 2, 3, 4 foot diameter base cut on this big Norway spruce. 2, 3, and another 4 foot diameter base cut on the big ash. Everything went really smooth. That's actually, I think, one of the first times we've ever picked the top of a spruce tree out with the Merlo. I only had about another extra 1,000 pounds of capacity when I picked that big top out. And it actually went pretty smooth. Saved us a little bit of time, because otherwise Spencer would have had to make a little cutout where we could grab with the grapple. And we were worried that the blade would come through and cut a branch and maybe it would fall over here. So we figured the safest way to do it was just sling pick the whole top. Thanks for following along with us on this project. If you'd like to see more of this content, please like and subscribe. and we'll be sure to make more videos like this. Thanks and have a great day. Nice. Here comes Rocky. Holy mackerel! Oh yeah. Nice job, Easton. All right, Rocky's gonna hit the big wood jump with Nikki's bike. Here we go. Hell yeah! That was sick! Nice job. That was your first time. Is he crazy or what? Nice job. Here comes Easton. Nice job, Easton. Are you ready to hit the big wood jump?
Yep.
You sure you got this?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's see it. Here we go. Nice job, boys. All right, Blake's our videographer. Give me a fist bump, bud. Rocky and Easton and I are all gonna hit this jump in a train. Here we go.